What is Flutter?
Flutter is an open source UI software development kit developed by Google for cross-platform development of applications, mobile applications for iOS, Android, desktop applications for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems.
What makes Flutter unique?
Flutter compiles into native code, therefore the interactions with the native code are faster, in turn increasing its performance on applications. It also doesn't depend on web browser technologies or the widgets that ship with devices. And it uses its engine to draw its own widgets, which makes it a suitable cross-platform development framework.
What kinds of apps can I build with Flutter?
With Flutter, you can develop mobile applications for Android and iOS. You can also develop web applications, and you can also develop desktop applications to be used on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems.
Which famous applications were developed by Flutter?
There are quite a number of applications that have been developed using Flutter. One of them is My BMW, which is BMW's application. There's Google Pay by Google, and there's also Xianyu by Alibaba Group.
Why use Flutter to develop a mobile application for a business?
The first reason is that it's budget friendly, meaning that you will need to use fewer resources to develop cross-platform applications. So for instance, if you need an application for both iOS and Android, you can use the same code base and the same developer to build an application for both platforms. The code is also reusable and maintainable. So for maintenance, you only need to maintain one code base, which makes it easier to add onto the features and also fix any issues or any bugs that you may have post-deployment. The other reason is that Flutter's command line interface allows you to create continuous integration and continuous deployment in an easier manner using fewer steps. It also has a very extended documentation that is well detailed that you can follow, and the CLI also allows for deployment or has steps that guide you towards deployment, making it easy for you to deploy your applications across both platforms.
Is Flutter adaptable to build desktop apps?
Flutter extended support for development of cross-platform desktop applications. So with Flutter, developers can write a single code base and create desktop applications that are streamlined across the different desktop platforms, and therefore creating a user experience that is consistent across all the platforms.
Ezokia, Innovative Digital Agency.